This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside iMessage or another app with the Emoji Keyboard. Open the Emoji panel and swipe to the sticker or Memoji area. Once you locate the sticker pack, press and hold a sticker to reveal options. This is how iOS exposes management controls. Make sure to note whether the sticker is from a third-party pack or built into iOS, because that distinction determines the removal path you'll take next. Now press and hold the sticker until the contextual menu appears. This step is essential because it lists remove or delete for third-party packs. If you see delete, tap it and confirm. This removes the sticker pack from your keyboard. Once done, if the sticker is native to iOS and no delete option appears, you'll instead open Settings, go to General and Keyboard or the Host app, and disable the keyboard extension or uninstall the app providing the sticker. Finish by restarting the messaging app. If the sticker still shows, reboot your iPhone to fully clear the keyboard cache. Make sure to update or reinstall the app that supplied the stickers. Sometimes an app restores its pack on relaunch. If problems persist, reset keyboard settings or remove the keyboard extension in Settings General. That clears stubborn entries. One tip: back up keyboard preferences before a reset, because resetting will remove shortcuts and personalize settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.